In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the zoom level in Google Sheets. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the small grid icon for Google Apps. Click that to open the menu of available apps. From there, choose Google Sheets. This takes you to the main Sheets area where you can see your recent files. Go ahead and open the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once your document is open, look at the menu bar along the top. Click the View menu to reveal display-related options. In that menu, select Zoom. You'll see a list of preset percentages you can pick from, such as 50%, 75%, 100%, 125%, and 150%. Choose the percentage that makes your data easiest to read. For example, if your sheet feels cramped or the text looks small, try 125% or 150% to make everything larger. If you want to see more columns and rows at once, try 75% or 50%. If you ever need to go back to the standard view, choose 100%, which restores the default size. A quick tip here: changing the zoom in Google Sheets only affects how the document appears on your screen. It doesn't change the actual font size, cell sizes, or how the spreadsheet will print. It's simply a viewing preference to help you work more comfortably. Also, this setting typically affects your view, not other collaborators, so you can adjust it without worrying about disrupting someone else's layout. There's also a fast shortcut if you prefer using your keyboard and mouse or trackpad. Hold down the Control key, then scroll up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. On some devices, this may adjust the browser's zoom level, which enlarges the entire page, including menus and toolbars. That can be handy if you want everything bigger, not just the cells. If you notice the interface getting larger or smaller, that's your browser zoom at work. You can always return to a normal view by resetting the zoom back to 100% through your browser settings, or by using the zoom option under the View menu in Sheets. To recap the flow, open Google, launch Google Sheets, open your spreadsheet, go to the View menu, choose Zoom, and pick the percentage that suits you, or hold Control while scrolling to adjust quickly. With these options, you can tailor your workspace to your eyes and your screen, making it easier to read data, compare columns, and stay productive.